Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming essentials so the gift works immediately. Sign into your Microsoft account and verify a valid payment method. This avoids interruptions at checkout. Make sure you know the recipient's Microsoft email or phone number so the code reaches the correct account. Once done, decide the subscription length by calculating the cost. Purchase an Xbox gift card or digital code that covers a monthly or multi-month Game Pass Ultimate term. This is how you'll transfer value, rather than gifting a subscription directly. Now you'll buy the redeemable credit that becomes the Game Pass time. On Xbox.com, Microsoft Store, or a trusted retailer, pick an Xbox gift card or digital code equal to the subscription cost. Multiple months usually require combining codes. During checkout, use your verified payment, then immediately copy or screenshot the delivered code and save the receipt. This protects you if something goes wrong. Once you have the code, prepare a clear message for the recipient with redemption steps so they can apply it quickly to their account. Finish by delivering the code and confirming redemption. Send the code to the recipient's Microsoft email or message along with simple steps. Sign in, go to redeem at account. Microsoft.com/redeem or open the Microsoft Store on Xbox, enter the code, and accept the subscription conversion. Make sure they check the accounts region and linked payment methods if redemption fails. If issues persist, you should compare the receipt to the code and contact Microsoft support. This troubleshooting step resolves most common.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.